Good evening, good afternoon, or good evening. It's Dave here. Hadn't been coming out for a while. I was got pretty busy in the at the ranch, at the farm. Now I can relax just a little bit, not that much. Hope everyone's doing good where you're at. We've and I don't like talking politics, but we're getting pretty close to the politics, and I seem to know that a lot of people are playing dirty politics, man. My gosh, they make it so obvious. Why isn't there some type of some federal law enforcement enforcing this? I mean, it's very obvious. It's out in the open. And I'm not going to tell you who I'm voting for. I prefer to stay neutral. But there's a lot of dirty politics going on. You know, I'm starting to notice that this eye doesn't raise up too high in comparison to this one. I don't know. I'm talking out of a GoPro Hero 9, which is pretty good. I like the front screen. Kind of reminds me of the DJI Osmo Action, and it kind of reminds me of the Insta360 also, but the Insta360 has around the same size of monitor in front, but you can hardly see it when you have a 1-inch Leica lens. The 1-inch Leica lens pretty much covers up half the screen. It's very hard to maneuver. Just for your information, I'm gobbling down a snow cone. I'm trying not to put too much sugar in it, but even so, I feel like I told them not to put too much sugar, and it looks like they put more. You're noticing what's making the noise is this S20 Ultra. It does the woo 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 every time, and I'm noticing, and the majority of the time it's just a sensor at home, since we have cameras at home. Things are pretty calm here at the ranch. Everything's working fine. Things are working fine here. I'm just wondering about November the 3rd, after the elections. I wonder if a lot of people are claiming there's going to be civil war. Like, civil war. I wonder if they're going to dress up like Minutemen and go storming against other people. I don't know what it is. Civil war, I guess it's the war among the people. That's happening every day with what I hear on TV with Antifa and Black Lives Matter. And, all those people are just rioting. So it's considered a civil war already. But I said I wouldn't get involved in politics, so that's being political. I'm going to dedicate the little time that I have for this video into the ranch life. This is the life of the ranch, for me, of course. I'm going to get off real quick. I'm gonna adjust this camera real quick. I'm gonna get out because I need to let's see if I can break this thing a little bit shorter. I need to go close one of the fences. Look at that beautiful cloud over there. I'm gonna close one of the fences. I'm right next to the canal. I'm gonna get a little close to the canal. Nothing interesting about the canal, but you can see not a very good place for someone to go swimming. Even though I've seen people swim here. And I'm not gonna discriminate either, because when I was a kid, I think I remember swimming in these type of canals. Not this one in particular, but something similar to it. I'm gonna close this gate real quick here. We've been having problems with rogue ATVs coming in here, and they have no respect for private property. Locking it up. Okay, it's locked up. And head on over to the next gate. Here, and anyway, I'm gonna head over to the next gate and shut it down, but I'm really thinking of just leaving it the way it is. I got a feeling that some of these tractors are working late. I gotta check with the ranch supervisor and find out if there's any tractors working late, and if they are, I'm gonna leave this gate open. I can always close it later on tonight. Here's my snow cone. It's some flavor called tamarindo. Tamarindo. Supposed to be some fruit from Mexico, made in Mexico. It gives a good flavor, and it does give a good flavor. I'm gonna turn right here and head over to the farm, to the farmhouse, and head over to the farmhouse real quick. I'm losing some light already. The sun is already down. It won't be long before it's dark. Hoping I'll catch someone here, and I can ask him, hey, is there any more tractors outside? If not, so I can lock up all the gates. I had a late lunch today. So I don't think I need dinner, because I brought a whole ice chest full of water and ice. So the only thing I could probably just do is munch on some peanuts that I bought at the store. And once I'm done with all my duties here at work, I can park someplace where I can watch everything and turn on a flick, and turn on a movie, just to watch a movie, eat some peanuts, get some water, and there's nobody here. So I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna leave it like that. If I see that there's no more activity going on, if I see there's no activity going on, that means that that I can close that last gate. Oh, there's still one employee out there. There's one employee truck out there, which means that he's probably still out there somewhere. So I'll find out later on. If there's a tractor back there somewhere, the lights will be on, and I'll just wait for it to come in. Other than that, it's just pretty much typical Monday evening routine. Typical Monday evening routine. I'm gonna park right here. He's bound to come out. If he's back there somewhere, I'm probably gonna bump into him. More than likely. He's not back here yet. He might be somewhere else. He might be at a different ranch, but I'll find out. As soon as it gets dark, I'll find out. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and shut her down. I'm gonna park right here. I'm gonna back up the truck. It's more or less a place that's wait. I see a light over there. It might be him, and if it is him, I just locked him in. I closed one of those gates. Yeah, it's probably him. Yeah, it's him. Anyways, he has an extra key, so he's able to come out. I'm gonna park right here, and I'm gonna relax for a little bit, and we'll see you on the next video. In the meantime, maintain that special social distancing, because we still have that COVID out here roaming around somewhere. And you all be careful out there. Stay safe. Don't drink and drive. And all them other routine warnings. And I'll see you on the next video. May God bless.